Hey everybody, Jim Haas for Blaze Outdoor Products. Today I want to show you our brand new electric grill. Let's get into this thing. Near the bottom of the firebox you'll see a perforated vaporizer. This is made out of 304 stainless steel. This is going to help radiate heat evenly across the grill surface. It's also going to help to flavor food. Acting much like the flame tamer in our gas grills, drippings from the food will get caught in these holes as it burns off and converts to smoke, going back up into your food, helping to achieve that barbecued, smoky flavor even on an electric grill. The heating element can easily be removed. It's held in on each side with a small bracket and a cotter pin. You take those out, flip this up to then access the vaporizers, take them out for easy cleanup. Like the LTE Premium gas grill, the Blaze Electric features cooking grates with 9mm cooking rods with a triangular base to really transfer that heat up to the cooking area. Nice tight spacing. You won't lose all your asparagus. That's very important. A removable warming rack and a double-lined hood for great heat insulation inside the oven, and it also keeps the outside that nice shiny stainless silver. The grill surface measures roughly 15 by 18.5 inches or 275 square inches. With the proper preheating time, this electric grill can achieve temperatures up to 600 degrees. This comes with a 7.5-foot power cord, very heavy gauge with a built-in GFCI breaker. If you need to use an extension cord, it needs to be a minimum 14 gauge cord with a max length of 25 feet. We also require a minimum 15 amp dedicated circuit, also on a GFCI breaker. Other features include a large faced analog temp gauge, a pull-out drip tray, and this comes standard with adjustable feet. Additional add-on options are a pedestal with collapsing side shelves, you can also purchase mounting side and rear rails, so this can be built into a custom barbecue island. It's important to note that with any installation, whether this be on a pedestal, a tabletop, or on a built-in island, you want to follow the clearance requirements from combustible materials. That's going to be 14 inches minimum from the sides, 16 inches minimum from the back, and a minimum of 6 feet from the grill surface to any overhang on this thing. You just want to make sure you're free and clear from any combustible material. The Blaze Electric Grill also features a built-in timer with automatic shutoff for safety purposes. This has been approved for multifamily use. It's constructed out of 304 stainless steel, and everything here carries a lifetime warranty except for the element and the electronics, which is a 1-year warranty. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the Blaze Electric Grill.